Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see how many people have rewatched your story on Snapchat Plus. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So before you begin, you will need to have Snapchat Plus subscription in order to follow the next steps. The Rewatch indicator is one of the most exciting features of the subscription. If you want to know if your story is engaging, then you can check how many people it has been rewatched by. If a lot of people rewatched it, it means that they like it and it's engaging to your viewers. So let me show you how to see this. So as you can see, as per Snapchat's help guide, you need to look out for these pair of eyes emoji under your stories. You can only see this if you have Snapchat Plus. To see if anyone has rewatched your story you post, tap on the story you posted, then swipe up. On the screen, you're looking for a pair of eyes emoji. Whatever number that appears next to it, that means that many people have rewatched it. It doesn't show you exactly who has rewatched it. It only counts one rewatch by a person. It does not count the total number of times it has been rewatched by that same person. Hence, if someone rewatches your story multiple times, it only counts as one rewatch. And that is how to see how many people have rewatched your story on Snapchat Plus. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.